Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube channel permanently. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application, and then in this interface at the top right corner you need to click on your profile image button. Then you need to make sure you selected the right one channel. If it's not, you need to click on this button, switch account, and then choose the right one YouTube account. So after that, you need to click on YouTube Studio, and after that, in this interface on the left side, you need to click on the settings button. Then in this little window, you need to click on the channel and then advanced settings. In this interface, you need to scroll down and then find and click on the remove YouTube content button. After that, you need to enter your Google account password. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on the second one option. I want to permanently delete my content. Then you need to click on these two little boxes like this. And after that, at the bottom right corner, you will see this button, delete my content, and then you need to click on this button. So after that, you need to type your email address like this, and then you need to click on delete my content. So after that, you will see this interface and your content is being deleted. And that's all, and that's how to delete YouTube channel permanently. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.